Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Roku Stick 4K easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Roku Stick 4K. Ensure you have all the components: the Roku Stick, remote, USB power cable, power adapter. Locate an available HDMI port on your TV. Connect the Roku Stick to the HDMI port. If you have a tight space, use the HDMI extender for easier access. Plug the USB power cable into the Roku Stick. Connect the other end of the USB cable to the power adapter. Then, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Roku Stick is connected. You should see the Roku logo on your screen. Wait for the initial setup process to complete. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the remote. Insert the included batteries into the remote. Press the home button on the remote to begin the pairing process. Once paired, choose your language preference. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. After connecting, your Roku will update to the latest software. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once updated, you will see the Roku home screen. Now, log into your Roku account or create a new one if needed. After logging in, you can add channels based on your preferences. Explore popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney+. Once added, these channels will appear on your home screen. You can now start streaming your favorite content. Adjust your TV settings as needed for the best viewing experience. Congratulations! Your Roku Stick 4K is now fully set up and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.